We e-sport athletes are always looking for new challenges. And today we're going to do that with the help of star drift driver Ken Gucci.
Dude, who are you talking to?
Drifting is all about hand-eye coordination. I'm looking at where I want to go and my hands and feet are reacting. So you guys are essentially doing the same thing, right? Looking at where you guys want to go and your hands are just muscle memory. So we're going to test that today. Do you guys know this anime where this kid drives his old Corolla through the canyons with a cup of water in his drink holder? Yeah. If he spills water, any sort of water from that cup, he's crushing the tofu that he's trying to deliver in the middle of the night. So I have a challenge for you guys. I'm going to put one of you guys in my passenger seat and hand you 2 glasses full of water. And I drift around the course. The most water left in the glasses wins. Now, instead of the old Corolla, we have the new Corolla Hatchback drift car here. You guys up for the challenge?
Yeah.
Go! All right, buddy. Ready?
I think I saved the tofu.
Yeah. That's probably the funniest thing I've ever done in my entire career.
Not bad, I think.
That's actually pretty good. All right, well, then let's see who the winner is. And make sure it's to the line. A little bit more.
Number one.
Sneaky. Has some water in his glass. Keith, that's nothing, buddy. I think we have a winner here.
Are you ready?
Let's do fast, bro.
Get it over with.
Okay.
Oh.
And that, my friend, is the water cup challenge.
Yeah. Nice.